Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile an ornamental pepper. This is a 2014 All America Selections winner, the NuMex Easter. It's bred by the Chili Pepper Institute at New Mexico State University. The plant gets about 5 or 6 inches tall. It's an ornamental pepper and it's just absolutely beautiful. It's October 4th here, so we're rolling into Halloween. And the final color of these chili peppers is this beautiful light orange. It'll start out, the pepper will start out as a white, light yellow color and transition over to lavender, and it'll finally finish up with, again, this beautiful orange color. And it's just packed full of these tiny peppers. They will do extremely well in containers. These are in my garden. I was testing them out. I absolutely love them and recommend them. They're actually going to be planted throughout the strawberry bed for ongoing, pop of color through the whole season. When the, when the strawberries finish up, through this dark green mass are going to be all of these orange peppers popping up all over the place. Again, this is the 2014 AAS winner, NuMex Easter. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. And what that means is when you try this out in your garden, you're going to see why it won an award. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We don't run any ads. We just provide great gardening videos. Thanks for watching.